In this workflow, we are going to link a Civil 3D surface using US Survey Fit to a Revit model. We will prepare this Civil 3D surface to link to a pile wall model in Revit to visualize and make sure our alignment is working okay. For this, we will need fittings to start. First, Autodesk Desktop Connector, which can be downloaded from the Autodesk webpage. We are using this software to upload files to Autodesk from our PC. We need access to an Autodesk Docs project. Of course, we need a place to upload those files in the cloud. In this case, I prepared a small structure to work with. We also need a known point, both in Civil 3D and in Revit. In this case, we define that point from a alignment that the project manager provided to us. And lastly, we need to make sure our units are the same in both models. We are using fit units for this example. We will start defining our shared reference point. This will ensure that our two models are tied into the same workspace. We can find this command in our tool space under the Toolbox tab. Now expand Subscription Extension Manager, Autodesk Shared Reference Point, and right-click the command and execute. Now we need to take our 2 points, making sure that they have the same elevation. Make sure that the dialog box looks right with our coordinates, elevation, and units. Hit OK and save the XML file. Now switching to Revit. The share reference point command can be found on the Added. Click that and select the same points from Civil 3D. It will ask to locate our recently created XML file. Click OK and the coordinate system is created. Now we need to manually set it up. Going to the Manage tab and find the location command. In this window, we will select the Site tab and find our newly created share site. Click Current, OK, and we are all set. We can verify that our coordinates are the same, going to the known points and making sure that they are the same. Now for the next step, we need to publish our surface to Autodesk Docs. So back to Civil 3D. To the Output tab and click Publish Surface. Specify the surface to be published and a place in Docs to save it. Click OK. Now, if we link the surface as is to Revit, we will see a slight drift from its position. This is related to our working coordinate system in Civil 3D, which is US Survey Fit. To work around or to solve this, Autodesk recommends going in the Publish Surface and adjust a few drawing settings. Let's open our Publish Surface. Open the drawing options from the tool spacebar and change the following. Remove the local coordinates and set imperial to metric conversions to international fit. Check these two options and click OK. Now save the drawings. Save the drawing as a new surface. Click OK, and now we wait for the new file to upload to the cloud. And let's switch back to Revit. I'll select a 3D view and link my surface going to the Insert tab. Click on my newly created surface and click OK. We can disregard this window. And we can now see our surface perfectly aligning with our Revit model. If there are any changes to this surface, the designer will have to publish the surface again, and in Revit we just have to go to the Manage Links under the same Insert tab, click Topography, select your surface, and we're all set.